Could you not lick yourself the whole time we do this? What's up, friends? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Pam. I have a lot of plants and that's what we talk about here. And today we are going on a field trip. So I am fortunate enough to live just a little over an hour away from LOGEE'S greenhouse, and it is definitely worth the drive. If you've never been there and you're anywhere near the New England area, Connecticut, New York, anywhere like that, I definitely recommend checking this place out. It is so beautiful. It's hard to describe. I've already done one video tour there, and that is like really visual, and you can see what the greenhouse looks like in the spring versus in the fall. And the drive down there is absolutely beautiful. I did not get the nearly enough footage to do it any justice, but you can get a little peek. And I'm also going to take you through a creepy little graveyard that's right around the way from LOGEE'S. So if you want to stop over there and round off your basic goth kid experience, you can do that. So let's go check it out, and then afterwards I'll show you what I got. So I know you're wondering, what did I get, right? What did I get? The answer to that is everything I wanted and more. So I actually only got 3 plants while I was there. I was trying to behave, not trying to spend a bunch of money, was just going for the cleansing experience. I feel cleansed. Initially, I picked up a begonia that was just kind of grabbing my attention, but I ended up putting it back in favor of getting this, and it's a little ridiculous because I already have the other form of this plant, but I wanted them both. And do I need both forms of it? Yeah. I got a very, very, very tall Monstera adonsonii, and this is the narrow leaf form. I have the wide leaf form, or round leaf form. I had to pick this one up, and it was like even a little bit more expensive than I probably should have paid for, but also not bad. $24.95, kind of normal for these guys, especially for something this big. I just kept coming back to it, and I just really, really wanted it because I want these crawling all over my house, so I needed more than one. I needed it. The second little plant I got was a little bit of an impulse buy at the end, but I just kind of really loved the red on this tiny little air plant. I believe it's a Tillandsia, and it was only like $4 or $5, and I'm just getting kind of addicted to collecting air plants. So now I have more. And this one's red. I'm doing my wish list plant video very soon. And now there's one less plant on it because I found a Cissus Discolor, and I have been wanting one of these for quite some time now. They keep selling out on me before I can purchase them. So imagine my delight when I was coming through an aisle and just happened to catch one of these leaves in the corner of my eye of the single and only available Cissus Discolor in all of the greenhouse. So I'm very excited. Oh, and do you know how much this was? 10 doll hairs. 11 doll hairs. Almost 11 doll hairs. That's cheap. That's not bad. Don't tell me if it's cheaper somewhere else. I don't want to know. Ooh. Look at those leaves. I mean, shut the front door. And not only did I get these 2 very tall plants, but my friend who came with me purchased his very first house plant. Well, not his first plant, but his first plant in a while. So now he has a little plant. He got a Pilea Creeping Charlie, and it's adorable. And I'm very happy for him. And you guys know what happens once you get one. It's all over. Sorry, Ross. Stay tuned. Coming up on my channel, we have a winter preparation video. I'm going to touch on grow lights and humidifiers and what I do to get ready for the winter, including a whole plant cleaning and purging, and it's going to be good. So I will have that for you guys soon. Let me know down in the comments if you've ever been to LOGEE'S, and let me know what you think. If you haven't, have you ever ordered from them? Like, let's talk LOGEE'S down in the comments. So I will see you guys very soon in the next video. Have a wonderful day, night, evening, month, year, eternity. Okay. Dude, stop licking yourself. Stop. We have company. Good.